This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by Mock Strickland. This immaculately kept home has upgrades throughout and is a must-see. The inviting foyer showcases formal dining with an open floor plan leading to family room with fireplace, custom built-ins, a gourmet eat-in kitchen with huge island and a laundry/mud room perfectly situated off the garage entry. The main level also tucks away the master suite with separate garden tub shower, dual vanities, toilet closet, custom walk-in closet, a second bedroom/office and full bath. Upstairs are 3 spacious bedrooms with endless potential, for example additional entertaining, gym, or home office, equally sharing the other full bathroom. This home is a gem. Almost 3,000 square feet of luxury with kitchen renovation, the stone patio, a brand new fence, new exterior paint, on a corner lot, beautiful plantation shutters, all with easy access to I-85, Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta Airport, Newnan, Peachtree City plus 1-year warranty. For more information, review the details below or contact Mock Strickland at 770-254-0079 office.